Hey there! Today we're tackling an interesting problem that many Python developers encounter when working with list comprehensions. Imagine you have a task where you need to generate a set of 3 element tuples from 2 loops, filtering the values based on certain conditions. That's the kind of problem we're diving into today. Now let's delve into the solution for our problem. By initializing x within the list comprehension using a separate loop, we can achieve a more elegant and optimized approach. The code provided initializes x as the sum of y and z, allowing us to neatly generate the desired tuples. This method is not only cleaner, but also optimized, especially with the enhancements introduced in Python 3.9. To sum it all up, we've explored a more refined way to handle complex list comprehensions in Python. By strategically initializing x within the list comprehension, we create a streamlined and efficient solution for generating 3 element tuples. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding, and may your loops always be fruitful and your syntax error-free.